guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. Today's wig is going to be from a company called Luvme Hair. I'm gonna show you guys everything in the box in the next clip. In today's video, I kept it really beginner friendly. I talked you guys through each step. I wanted you guys to feel confident in putting on your first wig if this is your first wig. I also show you guys how I went about layering the hair. I can't keep my hands out of it. I just think that this is the perfect little hair. It's so cute, so just luscious, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's hop into this video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
I kind of just wanted to hop on so you guys can see the packaging of the hair. So this is the packaging, you guys. It's really nice, definitely high end. They give you a stocking cap, and then they give you this cute little makeup bag-esque kind of thing. It comes with some tweezers and elastic band. Ooh, a super cute hair clip. It says "Love Me" on there. Some bobby pin, little hair tie, a edges brush. I wanted to show you guys the hair just straight out of the package. I am going to bleach the knots right now. So this is what the hairline is looking like prior to bleaching the knots. I am going to bleach the knots, and I'm going to pluck at the hairline a bit because recently I've just been trying to do the best job that I can when it comes to wig installs, and this is a 13x6, but it's giving super deep. So you guys, today we're back with a wig install from Luvme Hair. I have already bleached the knots and I plucked it, but the wig is bomb. It's a 13x6. As you guys can see, the inside of the wig is just giving part. Like, you can part this wig so far back. I love that. It does have the elastic band already sewn in, so if you don't like that, if you're not a fan, you can just remove it. It does have adjustable straps, and it's got lace in the back in case you want to glue it down. So I personally love the inside of this wig. It's really nice. It's got clips, but this is what the hairline looks like. I could have plucked more, but I really didn't want to pluck more, and that's only because sometimes I notice that when I go to ham plucking like the sides of the hairlines and stuff, the wig just doesn't last, you know what I mean? This is what the front hairline looks like. It looks really good, and like I was telling you guys, we've got a bunch of parting space. So this is a bunch of parting space. Part goes really deep. So we're gonna go in with the Erica J Holds Me Down glue. I noticed that I actually genuinely like this. I'm going to do 2 layers. I notice when I only do 1, maybe my sides start lifting up. So you guys, I'm just putting on 2 layers of glue. We're gonna wipe it in, and we're not gonna lay our lace until it's tacky and clear, okay? If you do have hair, you guys, definitely go on with the stocking cap. I really didn't like stocking caps when I had hair because if you really don't know how to melt that stocking cap, like melt it, you see it and it like rolls up, you know what I mean? So at this point, if you did have on a stocking cap, you would lay all this on the stocking cap, literally. This is thick, and I only put on a thin layer. And once I've wiped it and laid it flat, we're going to go in with our second layer. It's very important to wait to put on your wig until it's like 98% clear, because when I have put on my wigs in the past with there being white glue showing, you can definitely see it through your lace, and you don't want that. So now what I'm going to do is just go in with my second layer, and I'm going to just put it over the glue. So I'm going to come back when this is pretty clear and when we're about to lay our wig, because I feel like that's the most important part. But so far, I love the texture of the hair. When I washed it and everything, it was super just pretty. The knots bleached really well, so if I ever do want to like color this unit, I feel like it's going to lift to a beautiful blonde. I feel like this is like a luxurious wig, definitely luxury wig if you guys are looking for a deep parting space. This is bomb. So as you guys can see, the glue has begun to clear up. You know, it's gonna just do it before your eyes, and this one actually works pretty fast. Area right here, it's a little bit more glue in my hair, which, you know, necessarily I'm not worried about too much, so I can still go in and lay the lace right now. So what we're gonna do is just lay the hairline, and this part is really important. I barely have a mirror in front of me, but it's all right. All right, so we're gonna just lay the wig, make sure everything is where we're gonna want it to be. We are going to lay that wig right on the hairline that we created, okay? It's as easy as that. This side, you really need to tug at it and get it in place, okay? That's why I think it's best to not have on makeup when you are doing this. So when it comes to this second side, you really need to kind of pull that lace and get it onto that glue. Okay, just like that. And you got you a nice little facelift. Now, as you guys can see, that was really easy. I personally think it's easiest to just do it in like one whole swoosh. To cut the lace off, I like to cut it in a few different sections. So I like to cut it there. I personally think it's easier to take it in sections than it is to just do it in one full strip. 110% need an eyebrow razor. If you don't have an eyebrow razor, definitely invest in one. They're like 99 cents. You just take it and cut it off. You don't have to worry about if you cut some hair off, it's okay. Now we're gonna spray our hairline with the Got To Be. So we just sprayed the Got To Be, and now we are just going in with an elastic band. I feel like this part is really important, especially if you don't like having baby hairs. This part is gonna be really important. But yeah, let me just show you guys what this parting space is looking like for anyone interested. I did bleach the knots. I feel like I kind of over bleached some places, and I do have a method to fix that. But as you guys can see, the parting space is really, we have like a really deep parting space. If you guys wanted to do a side swoosh, this is how deep you can get that swoosh. Start, because this is not a full lace wig, but it's a lace front, but you got a bunch of parting space. And then the good thing about it is that these tracks are laying super flat. So if you wanted to kind of like do a deep side swoosh ponytail, you know, like a deep side swoosh low ponytail, your install would be super flat, which is really good. Like, it's literally so flat. And another thing, the longer you have the elastic band on, of course, the better it's going to be for your install. So what I like to do is just comb it out a bit. But can you guys see? It's giving natural looking scalp. Everything just looks good. So I'm gonna just go in with a bit of this Erica J. And I really like this because it makes it just look sleek. It makes the hair's luster look nice and healthy. And it just makes it look like you've, like, you know, got a fresh press. But definitely do this part. So to cut the layers, it's gonna be super easy. You need a layer brush, you know, a little layer comb, and we have two sides. It's gonna be a comb razor. We're gonna start it here. And this just cuts it so beautifully. This cuts it like butter, okay? When I say butter, I mean butter. Do remember that this is fake hair. It does not grow back. But do remember to have fun and make sure your hair is bam. So we got some long layers. I love that. Press the hair one more time, and then we're going to give it some nice body. Like just some quick little body waves. So guys, this is how the hair turned out. I just have all of the hair to the back. I did do long layers, and I ended up just wand curling it, like with a wand stick, which made it super easy. I love how easy and manageable this hair is. I decided not to do any baby hairs because everybody's not interested in baby hairs, and I did put a minor widow's peak in the unit, which to me gives it a more authentic, real type of feel. The hair itself, bomb. Like when I say this is celebrity hair, it's celebrity hair, and it's giving that. I think that it's super pretty. I love the little layers that I put into it because it just gives it body. If I decided I wanted to have it like up in a ponytail, just the ability that it moves, and it just moves so bomb. The way I styled the hair with the long layers and the curls, it's really giving it to me, and it's really making me enjoy the black, because you guys know that I've been doing a bunch more colorful styles or lighter colors, but this black right here is an everyday wig. I do like how long it is, because now that it's fall, or now that we're transitioning it to fall, long hair is, it's perfect it's the perfect time to have long hair. Summer, some of you guys love rocking your little long hairdos in the summer, but personally for me, it's way too hot for that. And fall is a good time for me to have this type of hairstyle. So I'm genuinely impressed. Luvme hair, I feel like it's worth the hype. It's worth the hair. It's worth the money. I love how deep my part is, and I love how deep I could have decided to do a side swoosh if I wanted to. These layers are bomb. I think if you guys are ever interested in doing layers, definitely get yourself a razor comb, because this just made my life so much easier. I just, you know, ran it through the hair, and now I have perfectly layered, just bomb hair. I can't stop putting my hands in my hair. I think it's just the perfect everyday hairdo. I hope that this video was beginner friendly and it allowed you to have the confidence to do your hair. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I have nothing else to say about this hair. I love the lace, I love the hair, I love the silkiness of the hair, I love how the bleach took on the knots. Everything was just really bomb about this hair. So yeah guys, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.